In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave an Asana workspace. If you're moving to a new team, cleaning up an old account, or simply reducing notifications, leaving a workspace is quick and tidy when you know where to look. Before we begin, a quick note on what a workspace is. In Asana, a workspace is a shared area where people collaborate on projects and tasks. When you leave one, you remove your access to its projects, messages, and files. Your teammates will still see any tasks or comments you contributed, but you won't be able to view or edit them anymore. If you might need something later, make a personal note or download what you're allowed to keep before you go. Start by opening Asana and making sure you're in the workspace you want to leave. You can confirm this by checking the workspace name displayed in the interface. Once you're sure, look to the very top right of the screen and click your profile icon. It may show your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on your account. A menu will appear. From that menu, select the option labeled More. This expands additional account and workspace actions that aren't shown by default. If your screen is small or you're zoomed in, you might need to scroll the menu slightly to see everything. In the expanded options, click the item that says Remove me from this workspace, or in some accounts, Leave workspace. The wording can vary a little, but both do the same thing. They remove your account from the current workspace. Asana will usually ask you to confirm. Read the prompt so you understand what you're leaving, then approve to continue. Right away, you'll be signed out of that workspace and it will disappear from your workspace list. You'll stop receiving notifications from it and it won't appear in your sidebar anymore. If you're a member of other workspaces or organizations, you'll still have full access to those. If you ever need to rejoin the one you left, someone with access can invite you back. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Make sure any important tasks you own in that workspace are handed off to the right people so nothing gets blocked. If you're an admin, or the only person managing a key project, consider designating another owner first so work doesn't stall. And if the option to leave is disabled, you may need to reach out to a workspace admin to help finalize the change. That's all there is to it. Profile icon, More, then remove me from this workspace or leave workspace. Clean, quick, and done.